Okay guys, so I just want to share a little information on the on this Toyota Sienna, removing the low control arm and bolt joint on the passenger side. So what I did, it's like you see right here, you have to remove the 3 bolts right here, 1, 2, and the other one right there, which it goes right there, right there, all 3. And then you have to remove the bottom one, the bottom nuts right there. Let me see, there's 3 right there, which is 3 nuts, 17s, and right here they 14s, right here they 14s. And then you have to, before you remove that mount right there, you just lift the engine a little bit so you don't be hanging on the air or landing on the other mounts. So just remove those, and then you should have enough room to get them out. So the other thing, it's right here, it's gonna be 22s. After you remove the mount right there, you're gonna have access to the other bolt back there, because this one is easy to get to, but this one not. So that's why we had to remove the mount on it. So those gonna be 22s, and this one right here, you're gonna need the 18 on top to hold the nut right there. This one right here to hold the nut on top of it, and then you're gonna need an 18 on the bottom to get the whole both out. And then you're gonna need the 17s right here to get this 3 out of the way. Hold on, let me get it. Yeah, right there, to get this right here, this one right there, so you got enough room to remove the let me see if I can get that right there. Right there's that. Okay, so you got enough room to get the control arm out. And now we have to deal with the bolt joints right there, this one right here. So I already loose with the 19 right here, and remove the clip goes in there. I already got it out. So now we just have to kick this out, with the hammer, or you can use the fork in there. I think I got the fork right here. Yeah, you just go with the fork, like this way, just like that. So you maybe can probably kick it out, and then hit it with the hammer right here, and then you should kick that out. But yeah, you don't have to remove the CD axle or or spindle, nothing like that. Just that's the way to go. And then it's just gonna be the same thing to go back to. You just have to align the new one back in there. Probably the hard part is gonna be put the bolt in there, because you have to make sure the little bushing goes straight in there, so you can go with the bolt all the way through to the top. But that's it. On the driver's side, I don't have any to record it. I already did it. And but it's gonna be the same thing. The only tricky thing on the other side, it's gonna be you really have to lift that engine enough to remove the mount, because it's gonna be the same thing like this, right there on the other side. So it's probably the same thing. But yeah guys, I hope this helped and save you some money, and I'll see you next time. Peace.